Hello friends, I'm Jagdish Perk Associate. Today's topic is engineering mechanics. So in engineering mechanics, I will be explaining the solving methods of a gate numerical problem. Okay, so before going to this video, please press the subscribe button of our channel, the Mechanical Engineers Team, and also click the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for new videos. So let's begin. First, I will read the question. Two particles with masses in the ratio 1:4 are moving with equal kinetic energies. The magnitude of their linear momentums will be in the ratio A 1:8, B 1:2, C square root of 2:1, D 1:square root of 2. Now I will analyze the question. There are two particles. The two particles are moving with certain velocity. The kinetic energy of the two particles are same, and the masses of the two particles are in the ratio 1:4, which means the mass of the particle 2 is 4 times the mass of the particle 1. To be precise, if the mass of the particle 1 is 1 kg, then the mass of the particle 2 will be 4 kg. Or if the mass of the particle 1 is 2 kg, then the mass of the particle 2 will be 8 kg. Or if the mass of the particle 1 is 3 kg, then the mass of the particle 2 will be 12 kg. Okay. So this is the meaning of the mass ratio 1:4. So in this question, we have to find the ratio of linear momentum of the two particles. Okay. Now I will list out the given conditions from the question. First, mass of the particle 1 is taken as m1. Second, mass of the particle 2 is taken as m2. Third, the velocity of the particle 1 is taken as v1. And fourth, the velocity of the particle 2 is taken as v2. So by using these four conditions, we are going to find the ratio of linear momentum of the two particles. Now I will move to the solving technique. We know that the mass ratio of the two particles is 1:4, that is m1 by m2 is equal to 1 by 4. And the kinetic energy of the two particles are same, that is kinetic energy of the particle 1 is equal to kinetic energy of the particle 2. The formula for kinetic energy of the particle 1 is half m1 v1 square. And the formula for kinetic energy of particle 2 is half m2 v2 square. So we know that the kinetic energy of the both the particles are same. So we can equate these two formulas. By equating these two formulas, we get half m1 v1 square is equal to half m2 v2 square. So here half gets cancelled. So the next step will be m1 v1 square is equal to m2 v2 square. Now bring this m2 to the denominator of LHS and move this v1 square to the denominator of RHS. We get m1 by m2 is equal to v2 square divided by v1 square. So in this RHS, this v2 square divided by v1 square can be rewritten as v2 by v1 whole square, because a square divided by b square is a by b whole square. So the next step will be m1 by m2 is equal to v2 by v1 whole square. Now move this square to the LHS. We get v2 by v1 is equal to square root of m1 by m2. We know that m1 by m2 is 1 by 4. So the next step will be v2 by v1 is equal to square root of 1 by 4. So square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So the next step will be v2 by v1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now we will inverse both LHS and RHS. We get v1 by v2 is equal to 2, because the inverse of v2 by v1 is v1 by v2 and the inverse of 1 by 2 is 2. Okay. Now we will find the ratio of linear momentum of the two particles. First, we will write down the formula of linear momentum of the particle 1, which is m1 v1. and the formula for linear momentum of particle 2 is m2v2. Now we will divide these two formulas. We get m1v1 divided by m2v2. This m1v1 divided by m2v2 can be rewritten as m1 by m2 into v1 by v2. We know that m1 by m2 is 1 by 4 and v1 by v2 is 2. So the next step will be 1 by 4 into 2. So 1 by 4 into 2 is 1 by 2, which means the ratio of linear momentum of the two particles is 1:2. So friends, the answer for this question is 1:2. So the correct option is B. Because you can see here among these four options, B holds the ratio value of 1:2. Okay. So this brings an end to the explanation part of this video. I hope you all would have understood. If any doubts are there, please do comment in comment box. And remember to like, share and comment on our videos. Thank you friends.